I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that your CP device and PC run compatible software and drivers. This avoids needless errors later. Once confirmed, plug the correct USB cable into the CP and the PC. Make sure the CP is powered. If the CP requires a specific mode, enable developer or USB mode now so the computer recognizes it. While connecting, watch for driver prompts and choose the appropriate installer. This step establishes the basic data link you'll build on next. After physical connection, install the official drivers supplied with the CP or from the manufacturer. This ensures correct protocol handling. Once installed, open Device Manager or the System Profiler to verify the CP appears and note its COM port or network interface. If the device lists a COM port, set baud and parity in your terminal program. If it uses network, configure IP and subnet so the PC can communicate. Make sure to save settings. This lets software find the CP reliably. Finish by testing the link. Open a terminal for serial devices, transfer a small file, or ping the CP's IP address to confirm two-way communication. Once communication works, install any firmware or companion software the CP requires for full operation. If the PC still cannot see the device, reboot both machines and try a different USB cable or port. Bad cables cause most failures. If problems persist, reinstall drivers and check for conflicting software. You'll usually resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.